AKS plasma has been reliable, durable, and very productive.
AKS Cutting Systems manufactures CNC cutting machines including plasma, oxy-fuel, and Waterjet cutters for the sheet metal, plate metal, and steel fabricating industries. We have a lasting reputation for accuracy, durability, and reliability with thousands of installations worldwide. AKS machines are American-made in Cleveland, Ohio, by a fourth-generation family-owned and operated business founded over a century ago. AKS AccuCut plasma cutting systems are constructed with a proprietary unitized design, available with RoboCut, our exclusive 5-axis robotic beveling system. When combined with TubeCut, our in-house engineered robotic pipe and tube cutter, these systems offer a complete solution for plate, sheet, and tube pipe cutting applications. Our massive DuraCut plasma cutting system can be extended up to 200 feet in length and is capable of operating with multiple plasma and oxy torches. Contact AKS Cutting Systems today to learn how we can help you achieve a new level of cutting performance.
You can reach us by phone and speak to a live person, or visit our website today. Your success is our priority.